Hello everyone, I'm Lisa Ann, and for today I thought it would be fun to talk about the zodiac and how it relates to interior design, and again, mostly all about your personal style and how what sign you are could affect how you design your home. I'm going to start with the water signs, which are the sea creatures, Pisces, Cancer, and my personal sign, Scorpio. Their mantra is, I am imaginative. They want their homes to be unusual, special. They kind of like that more carefree, this just happened kind of approach. They don't want a real decorated look, want it look like I just did this. So when setting up this vignette, I selected things that were colors of the ocean, and that I made sure that the pillows were mismatched and weren't exactly the same. I also selected some really neat candle holders that look like shells, because that again would be something that a water sign would love. Pick some textures that had some shimmer like rippling water. The next sign of the zodiac I'm going to discuss are the air signs, and then that would be the Gemini, the Libra, and the Aquarius. And air, what does that mean to you? Their spaces want a lot of freedom and a lot of air and not a heavy feelings. Ivory, linen, gray, those kind of tones on the major pieces. For accent colors, they enjoy any tones of blue, ranging from light blue to deeper bright blue. They also like yellow, the sunshine colors. Their mantra is that they want to be considered, I am unconventional. They don't want an ordinary look. You also will find a lot of books. They are the readers of the zodiac, but they do want to show off their personality with all of the books that they read. The next group of signs I'm going to talk about are the fire signs. These are your Leos, your Sagittarius, and your Aries. The mantra for the fire signs is, I have a distinctive style and I am sexy. Reds and orange and golden embers. They're the ones that might want to have something a little bit shocking perhaps in their house, something that is going to get people's attention, something that nobody else has. The next group of signs I'm going to talk about are the earth signs, and these are your Taurus, your Virgo, and your Capricorn. In an earth sign's home, you're going to find a lot of nubby textures, unfinished woods. Instead of buying a throw at department store, they would want to get one at a craft fair that was handmade and maybe has a personal story to it. They also like things that are useful. They like boxes and baskets that are beautiful, but then also have a purpose. In choosing some accessories for the earth sign, I have some really textured, almost looks like a basket, accent pillows. Also, I have a neat little butterfly antique dish that has a cover on it that I can see them using for candy or nuts again when people come home. Thank you again for watching, and I hope some of this resonated with you. And sometimes though, it is awesome to borrow from another sign, like once in a while, maybe you feel like I want to add some fire, and that's good too.